Welcome, creative enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of visual content creation and exploring the groundbreaking advancements brought by Pictory.ai. Get ready to witness how this innovative platform is reshaping the way we bring our creative visions to life. Join us as we embark on a journey through the remarkable capabilities and transformative impact of Pictory.ai. In a digital age where visuals speak volumes, Pictory.ai emerges as a game-changer. This revolutionary platform combines cutting-edge technology with artistic expression, unlocking a new realm of creative possibilities. So, buckle up and prepare to be inspired as we explore the limitless potential of Pictory.ai. The power of artificial intelligence. At the heart of Pictory.ai lies the power of artificial intelligence. In this segment, we uncover how AI algorithms and machine learning have transformed visual content creation. From intelligent image recognition and style transfer to automated design recommendations, we witness how Pictory.ai harnesses the potential of AI to enhance our creative endeavors, simplifying the creative workflow. Gone are the days of complex and time-consuming creative workflows. Pictory.ai streamlines the process, making it accessible to creators of all levels. In this segment, we explore the user-friendly interface and intuitive features that empower creators to bring their ideas to life seamlessly. Prepare to be amazed by the efficiency and simplicity Pictory.ai brings to the creative journey, transforming ideas into visual masterpieces. Pictory.ai empowers creators to transform their ideas into breathtaking visual masterpieces. In this segment, we showcase the incredible range of possibilities offered by Pictory.ai. From generating realistic landscapes and lifelike characters to designing eye-catching graphics and immersive visual effects, we witness how this platform fuels creativity and turns imagination into reality. Collaboration and community. Creativity thrives in collaboration and community. Pictory.ai goes beyond being a mere platform. It fosters a vibrant ecosystem of collaboration and sharing. In this segment, we explore the collaborative features of Pictory.ai, where creators can come together, exchange ideas, and collaborate on projects. We also dive into the supportive and inspiring community that drives innovation and elevates creative endeavors, empowering creativity across industries. The impact of Pictory.ai transcends boundaries, extending its creative prowess across industries. In this segment, we showcase the diverse applications of Pictory.ai, from advertising and marketing to film and entertainment, gaming, architecture, and beyond. Prepare to be inspired by the limitless potential of Pictory.ai in revolutionizing visual content creation across various fields. The future of visual creativity. To conclude our journey, we engage in insightful conversations with industry experts who shed light on the future of visual creativity in the era of Pictory.ai. We delve into emerging trends, the evolving role of AI in creative processes, and the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. Get ready to be inspired and gain a glimpse into the future of visual content creation. Thanks for watching.